If you're doing just a laboratory report, giving it to your client, we made it very easy for you to create an inspection and a report template and a report with just a click of a button. So go to your services. There's a way to create a service. I added a simple radon test service and I hooked it up to a report template. And inside your account, we stuck this default, a simple service. So it doesn't matter if it's whatever it is. Let's just say it's a laboratory report you did for with ProLab, and you did a mold or radon test, and you just want to give the client a report produced by a third party. Well, we've made it really simple for you. So you can create an inspection based upon this simple service, and you're in control of the documentation that you attach. You can attach documents. You can attach that third party from ProLab. You can create content, comments, all kinds of things. Everything is customizable to you, but we just wanted to say that this is a very simple way for you to do a quick laboratory-based report. All right, bye.